Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BigCommerce Control Center, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for BigCommerce. Press the Enter key to navigate to the BigCommerce homepage. Locate the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If you want the system to remember you, check the Remember Me box. Make sure your credentials are correct. Once you have filled in your email and password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the BigCommerce Control Center. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, ensure your account settings are updated as needed. You are now ready to manage your BigCommerce store effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.